Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to talk about our relationship with money. I once heard a person say that money isn't the most important thing in the world, but it's right up there with oxygen. Y'all, I'd like to beg to differ. The Apostle Paul gives great advice on how you and I should view our relationship with money. And I want to look at a few verses found in 1 Timothy chapter 6, beginning at verse number 17. Here's what it says. It says, "Teach those who are rich in this world not to be proud and not to trust in their money, which is so unreliable. Their trust should be in God, who richly gives us all we need for our enjoyment." If you value money more than you value God, you're in a dangerous place. Paul makes it clear that your trust in money is unreliable. The truth is that God is the source for all of the resources that you and I need. Listen to what he goes on to say about money in the next verse. He says, "Tell them to use their money to do good, that they should be rich in good works and generous to those in need, always being ready to share with others." Paul is essentially saying that money is nowhere close to being as important as oxygen. However, money is a great tool that can be used to do great works. He encourages you and I to use this tool to help others. He encourages us to use this tool to be generous. By doing this, watch this, here's the next verse. By doing this, they will be storing up their treasure as a good foundation for the future so that they may experience true life. He concludes by letting you and I know that the generosity that we express on this side of heaven will return to us on the other side of heaven. Today, let's evaluate our relationship with money. My hope is that you and I won't put our trust in money and give it the same value as oxygen, but rather look at it as a tool to do good works and express generosity.